Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix problem when you get stable internet connection but cannot use Google Play Store or browse Google Chrome on your Motorola Moto G51 5G. So as you can see, if I open Google Play Store, it doesn't load. The same is with Google Chrome. So to fix that, it's really simple. Go to your settings, scroll down like this, go to System, Date and Time, and you enable setting called Use Network Provided Time. As you can see, if I go to Google Play Store, it loads now. The same with Google Chrome. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, liking and commenting this video.